Good morning and welcome to online class. Day 28, class 7, subject social studies. Yes, today new lesson. Lesson name is new lesson 2.5 and lesson name is aspects of our social customs. Yes, today we will study about social custom. Yes. What is the meaning of social custom? How we follow our social custom? Yes, first of all, we know that our country Nepal is known as multi social customs. Yes, multicultural, multi ethics group. Yes, different caste found in Nepal, different culture. Yes, different religions. Yes, so it is called what? Multinational, multi ethics country, multilingual country. Yes, because different caste language are spoken in our country Nepal. Yes, multi ethics group, multilingual, multicultural, and there are others, and of the multi religious country. Yes, various types of tradition, conducts, conditions. Yes, social customs are found in our country. Yes, our social custom, there are different types of custom: birth custom, death custom, marriage custom, and custom of festivals. Yes, that we found in our country Nepal. Today I will teach you about social customs. Yes, common social custom. We know that Nepal is common garden of people from different castes who follow different religions. Yes, and have different culture way of life. We know हामीले चाहिँ नेपाललाई के भनेर चिन्छौँ त कमन गार्डन. Common garden means different types of things found in same place. Yes, multi-ethnic group, multicultural, multi-religious religions. Yes, multi-language are found here, so it is known as common garden. Who follow different religions, different culture, way of life. Yes, so it is known as what? Common garden. So Nepal is called common garden. We know that different people follow different religions. Yes, they respect each other religions. Hindu follow Muslim and Muslim follow Hindu's religions. Yes, they respect their culture, religious. They respect and follow each other religious, language, festival. Yes, the people from different religious community and ethnic group have their own social custom and values. Different आफ्नो social जुन कस्टमहरु छ, भ्यालुजहरु छ, के छ त? Different छ. Yes, my festival, my social custom is different and my friend's social custom is different. But also we respect each other customs. Yes, the types of food, clothing, customs, housing, way of life, rites and rituals, etc. differ from one region or community to another. We know that. Yes, we know that from different community follow different rites and rituals, customs. Yes, festivals. In my community, we follow Dasai, Tihar. Yes, and in next community they follow Losar, because community is different, people are different, caste is different, religious is different. Yes, so all things are different. Yes, according to the Tarai region, hilly region, mountain region. Yes, they also follow different types of culture, tradition, language. Yes, like that also different things. In spite of this different, all Nepalis have common social practice. Nepali respect and serve parents, teachers and guests as God. Yes, कुनै चीजहरु हामीमा के छ त एकदमै कमन छ. We Nepali people, that things is very common. कुनै गेस्ट आउनु भयो भने, टिचर आउनु भयो भने हामीले के मान्छौँ त? एज अ गॉड, भगवान आउनु भएको भनेर हामी के गर्छौँ त? We respect them. Yes, we respect them as a god. Yes, they are respecting senior and loving junior is also very common, which we do with each other. Yes, हामी यो चाहिँ एकदमै प्र्याक्टिसमा गरिरहेको छौं. Yes, common social practice means this is also very common social practice. We love junior, respect senior. Yes, in our culture, in our tradition, we also teach our children that follow these rules and regulation. There is a strong belief of attaining religious sanctity by constructing water taps, wells, rest house, and providing water to the thirsty people. Yes, in our culture, this is very important things. कोही कसैले पानी मागेको छ भने दिनु पर्छ. Yes, our fathers, grandfather teach this. Yes, and generation to generation, these things is followed. हामी हाम्रो चलन चल्तीमा आइरहेको चीजहरु हो यो. कसैलाई तिर्खा लागेको छ भने हामीले के दिनु पर्छ त? पानी दिनु पर्छ. यस, यो के हो त? हाम्रो बिलिफ, एउटा विश्वास हो. हाम्रो पुर्खाहरूले हामीलाई सिकाउनु भएको चीज हो यो. र हामीले फोर फादर देखि नै हामी के गर्दै आइराका छौं त? हामीले फलो गर्दै आइराका छौं. Yes, we are following these rules and regulation, and also we teach our children. Yes, small children, we also teach that these things should be followed. All the people in the community work actively success the social and cultural program organized by family. यदि कुनै फ्यामिलीले चाहिँ कुनै प्रोग्राम अरेन्ज गर्नु भएको छ भने सबैजना मिलेर के सोच्नुहुन्छ? मेक इट सक्सेस. यस, मेक इट सक्सेस. यसलाई सक्सेस बनाम सबैजना मिलेर, all people come. Yes, come and they help each other. How we will make this program success? They think like that. So they help each other and make that program very success. Yes. Poincho and Parma system are example of mutual help. Yes, we know that very well. हामीले चाहिँ पहिलेदेखि केही चीज पैसो गर्ने गर्छौं. यो मलाई पैसो दिनुस्, म पछि फर्काउँछु भन्ने कुराहरु चाहिँ हाम्रो यो पहिलेदेखि पुर्खाबाटै चल्दै आइराको र अहिले पनि चलिरहेको छ. Yes, these all are what some common social practice जुन अहिले हामी एकदमै कमन प्र्याक्टिसमा छौं. यो these all things we believe that respect senior, love junior. Yes, if anyone are thirsty, please provide water. Yes, we respect guests, teachers. Yes, as a god. Yes, different people follow different occupation. Yes, but also we respect them. Yes, some are tailoring, some are farmer. Yes, some are doctor, engineer. We respect different people. Yes, because they work for their society. Different occupation को भए पनि तिनीहरुले के गर्छन् त? सोसाइटीलाई हेल्प गर्छन्. Yes, in our society we found that there are different types of samuha. Yes, different types of samuha, different clubs are there. Yes, different organizations are there, institute are there. There are different types of clubs. Ama samuha. Yes, cultural group, trust, consumer. Yes, groups. Ama samuha, etc. are found for welfare to the community people. Community को people लाई चाहिँ कसरी हेल्प गर्न सक्छौं भन्ने कुरामा चाहिँ यो ग्रुपहरुले चाहिँ के गर्छन् त? हेल्प गर्छन्. They help. Anytime if we need help, then we can go in that office and we can take help from them. Yes, these social practices are the main aspect of Nepalese social customs. Yes, this social practice is very important in our life. Yes, we should follow these things. Okay, today this much. I will teach you in next class, next topic. Okay. Yes, today this month, that about common social practice in our country Nepal. Yes, there are different types of common social practice that I teach you today. Yes, you also study yourself. and understand betterly. Yes, and today I am going to give you some tasks. Please look here. Write any 6 points that we found in common social practice. Right? Okay. We respect teacher, parents, guest as a god. Yes. Love junior, respect senior. Yes. Same like that. We respect different occupational people. Yes. Right here 6 points and learn also. Okay. Thank you for today. Stay safe. Stay home.